Oh, Jackson.
Uh-oh.
I know, you jumped it.
You gonna pour some milk? You take a drink?
Where's mine?
You gonna pour milk for everybody?
Here, here's another cup. Put some in there.
Let's get rid of this.
That's water. That's iced tea.
You have a drink, Jackson?
Yeah, you can take the milk. She wants.
That's a lemon. Hey.
Fill her up.
Is it all
Up to the
empty?
top.
Is it all empty?
Oh,
We need to make some more.
Yeah, let's make some more.
uh-oh.
Here's another one.
No, that's milk.
Look how pretty you are.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Are you eating, Jackson? Are you playing house?
Yeah.
Yummy. Is that yummy?
Now you're so beautiful.
Yeah, you can have
Is that good? You have a drink?
Sure, here.
You have a drink?
Here you are. Look.
Is that good? Yum.
Here, I'll get you your toast.
Jackson.
You want the toast?
Jackson. Hey, you want a drink? You cutting up your eggs?
Hi, Squirt.
This cracks me up.
Can I have some? Do you have any for me? You're not going to share?
Can you share some with Carrie? Can you share? Jackson, can you share? Can you give a bite to Carrie?
Jackson, give Carrie a cup of juice.
Can you give that to Carrie? Can you give that to Carrie? Oh, it's a milkshake, I guess.
Yeah. What's wrong, Cameron?
Oh, you're a stinker.
You want a cup too? Well, here, we'll get you a cup.
There's like a million in there.
Do we want, let's see, what kind of cup do we want? Let's see, let's pick from what kind of cup we want. Do we want one like that? Do we want a bigger cup?
Hey,
Or
Jackson.
do we want a blue cup? How you feeling? Man, I know it's cold enough for me. You want more lemonade? Well, let's get you some more lemonade.
No, this is the lemonade.
Oh, Bailey, it's okay.
This is the lemonade.
Okay.
Pour it.
Good girl.
Whoa.
You gotta be
You
careful,
gonna take a
sweetie.
drink, Jackson? You take a drink? Take a drink. Take a drink.
Need a cup. This is
Good.
This is
Oh,
Yummy.
that milkshake was good. You want some milk? I think there is a milk can around here.
I got it. Milk.
There are among us, sent down to us to shed the night above. Too much.
Is that good, hot dog? Is that yummy?
I don't want.
Jiggity.
Window.
Should we check the pizza? Should we check it? It's almost done. Not quite though, nope. Jackson, how about in here? Is it, oh, it's not done yet. Okay, we want to keep that closed. Yep, let's crank it up. Crank it up. I don't think it turns. Yummy. Is that good? Hey Jackson, are you eating your hot dog? You eating your hot dog? Is that yummy? It's a pretty cool little grill set you got.